Frederiksen, Prime Minister of Denmark, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to today's ceremony where 4 documents will be exchanged. First, we have the Memorandum of Understanding between the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Geophysical Research Institute, Hyderabad, India. Number 2 is an agreement on traditional knowledge digital library access between the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, India, and Patent and Trademark Office, Denmark. This will be exchanged from the Danish side by His Excellency Freddie Swain, Ambassador of Denmark, and on the Indian side by Dr. Vishwa Janani J. Satyagiri, Head Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Traditional Knowledge Digital Library Unit, New Delhi. Number 3 is a MOU between the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and Danfoss Industries Private Limited to establish a center of excellence towards natural refrigerants for tropical climates with potential applications. This will be exchanged on the Danish side by Mr. Ravichandran Purushothaman, President, Danfoss India, and on the Indian side by Professor Govindan Rangarajan, Director, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Fourth is a joint letter of intent between the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, and the Government of the Kingdom of Denmark. This will be exchanged on the Danish side by His Excellency Freddie Swain, Ambassador of Denmark, and on the Indian side by Shri Rajesh Agarwal, Secretary, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, apart from the above MOUs, the following commercial agreements have been signed on the sidelines of the visit. There is a MOU between Reliance Industries Limited and Stacedal Fuel Technologies on the development of the hydrogen electrolyzer and the subsequent manufacturing and deployment of the hydrogen electrolyzer in India. Number 2 is a MOU between Infosys Technologies and Aarhus University to establish a center of excellence for sustainability solutions based in Denmark. And finally, there's a MOU between the Observer Research Foundation and State of Green on strategic cooperation to promote knowledge sharing on solutions and facilitate research on the green transition of the economy.